this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to take care of your skin in the winter time. A simple, easy skincare routine for the fall and winter. I'll try to keep all the products within the budget so we can all be able to use it, or we can do home DIY facials. So before further ado, let's just jump into it. First things first, let's put our hair back and use this face mask from I Do Care Cookie O Glow. It's a purifying mask with cocoa powder. You don't have to use this mask. You can use any mask you have at home, or you don't have to go buy anything. Sometimes I use mask at home, whatever I have, or I go in my fridge, literally get my yogurt out or rice flour out or oatmeal, and I put that on my face because I know those have benefits. So don't waste your time. Whatever you have, work with that. Make sure your skin just looks smooth and it just removes like a lot of dead skin and clears out the skin. So leave this on for like 20 minutes, go lay down, relax, and then wash it off with warm water. Here's my skin after a nice warm wash. As you guys can see, my skin looks very clear and smooth. Now I'm gonna go with the next step. The best way to use a gel cleanser is to emulsify it first. Make sure your hands are wet, apply a little bit of the gel cleanser, and then go in circular motion for like 20 seconds, and then it should turn into a creamy texture, and then apply that on your face. If you go do the regular way where you just apply that on your face, it's just basically your face, your skin is not clean, and everything that's sitting on your pores like the oil and the dirt is not gonna come out. So this is the best way to do it. Then after giving your skin a little bit massage, go ahead and wash it with like nice warm water. Oh my god, my face feels so good right here. As you guys can see, it feels so hydrated and so moisturized. I got this product from TikTok shop. It's actually a nose strip. I didn't think it was gonna work, but actually it works 100%. It's pretty cool. It comes with the product. It comes with like 60 sheet of paper with a cute instruction. So basically this removes any kind of blackheads and whiteheads, and even those little baby peachy hair on the nose that you can't really see, but it's there. Here's a photo of my nose before. I'm sure you guys can't see anything, but there's so much that I could see in the mirror. Depending on your area, if it's liquidy, that means you can use it. If it's hard gel, make sure to get a cup of water, put the container inside the cup of hot water for like a little bit. Make sure the lid is closed so no water gets inside, and once you do that, it's gonna loosen up a little bit and it's gonna be liquidy. Then you can put it on your nose. So apply a thin layer of the product on your nose and then put the paper right over it. Wait about 2 to 5 minutes, but I waited like 10 minutes so it can completely dry. These little black dots on the nose, basically it's gonna remove those. I don't know if you've seen it on people or on yourself, but they're very noticeable. While waiting, I was like, why not? Let's use some kind of an eye mask for my under eyes because I have to wait 10 minutes, so might as well take advantage of this time and do something for under eyes. This jelly eye patches are from Dipology. They're really good. I've been using them for a very long time. They're very hydrating and it just feels so good to have them under the eyes. Okay, this is completely dried and I'm kind of scared because it feels really hard on my nose. Okay, let's remove these eye patches and then let's peel this off. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit painful. As you guys can see, my eyes is tearing a little bit. It's just, I want to do it fast, but I want to show you guys how it feels like and how it looks like. So the downside for me is that my nose skin is already thinning out because I have allergies and I always clean up my nose and I always put things on my nose like those they're like nose strip stickers for allergies, and it made my skin already vulnerable. So when I put this on, I guess my skin just got worse on the nose area, only on the two sides, not the top, but overall it took out a lot of stuff off of my face. I want to show you guys a close-up of this. I'm sorry guys, I know this looks so disgusting, but I want to just make sure that you guys know this works 100% and it removes everything, unless you go to a professional where they do your mask and remove everything, but you can do something at home. This is super cheap. It's currently tagged in my TikTok shop. It's there. You can get it on a huge discount. Literally you can get it for like 10 to $5. Make sure to go and run and get one of these. And also anybody can use this, men or women, Mostly men have it the most for some reason. Like my brother has the most of these on his nose compared to me or my sister. But yeah, it's for everyone. It's safe. You can use it. As we all know, Korean women have the best skin, so I decided to get a Korean skincare product, and I got all of this 6-piece for only $25 from TikTok shop. First step of a skincare is to apply toner. The reason we apply toner is to remove any last trace of dirt, grimes, and impurities that's stuck in your pores after washing your face. Make sure to add some kind of a toner on your daily skincare routine regularly. It's like positive impact on your appearance, and it tightens up the pores and keeps your skin young. If you want to take your skin to the next level, make sure to add retinol. Retinols are super good. It has vitamin E and it helps to firm and smooth your skin, and also is perfect for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. This one is a serum. You can go with any serum that I have, but I like to use niacinamide. This one is highly concentrated 15% niacinamide serum that helps to control excess any kind of oil and minimizes the appearance of cluttered pores. Honestly, as a woman, we need to do this every day, 5 to 10 minutes morning and 5 to 10 minutes before bed, because we do so much around the house, the kitchen, the kids, and a lot of you guys out there have worked so hard and do so much things inside the house. We deserve to do like 5 to 10 minutes every day, or once a week do a facial day at home for yourself. Take care of your skin. This next serum is vitamin C, and it has hyaluronic acid in it too. The reason I love Korean skincare is because everything they put on their product is higher dose compared to our product here in the US. Like this one has 23% pure vitamin C serum in the bottle. Like that's crazy, and that's why their skincare is way better than us, and they're like #1 skincare in the world. This vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid basically helps to improve skin condition, even out skin tone, and sign of aging. As you guys can see, my skin looks like I came out of a spa. This is a advanced snail 96% mucin powder essence. This is crazy because I've never seen 96% snailing in a product. So basically, snails have antioxidant properties that can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. In addition to that, snail slime contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate the skin and promote collagen production. Honestly, this is my best $25 I have ever invested into skincare to achieve that glass skin looking. Using this lip balm from Fenty Beauty to keep my lips hydrated. I say this in every video. I cannot emphasize this enough to you guys. You need sunscreen to protect your skin from the UV light. Whether you want to put makeup, you don't want to put makeup, you always need sunscreen. Doesn't matter if it's winter, summer, spring. For not putting sunscreen, you can get skin cancer, you can get dark spots, you can get freckles, you can get aging faster. So put your sunscreen on. Like always, I like to take care under my eyes. Use your night or day cream for your eyes. Massage your under eyes. It's very important, just like the rest of the face. Take care of your eyes. I like to use this one from Murad because it has a cute applicator. It cools down, massages with the other side. So I use this in the morning and night. You can use any eye cream that you have. Just make sure to use it because our eye gets tired just like the rest of the face, and we don't pay attention to it. Setting mists are amazing. I love setting mists. I feel like a ton of water goes on my face when I apply this. I keep this with me at all times, before makeup, after makeup, during my skincare. It just keeps my skin very, very hydrated. These type of skincares are perfect to do for holidays, festivals. Just take care of your skin and make sure to do this once a week or once a month if you don't have time. Even on daily basis is perfect. I'll try to tag all the products in my YouTube shop if they're available. If not, I'll put them in the description. And also you can directly get discount on these kind of stuff on my TikTok shop as well. Honestly, for the past few months, I've been trying Korean skincare. I didn't know they were so good for your skin. I've been trying them out. As you guys can see, my skin looks glowy, glossy, the glass skin type, and I am so satisfied, and I have achieved that kind of look. I hope this video was helpful to you or someone that you know that might need this. Make sure to share this video. If you like this video, give your girl a big thumbs up and click the notification bell for any future uploads. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because I post all amazing skincare makeup routine on this channel. And like always, I love you guys. Stay beautiful, stay radiant. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.